Tether time, yeah. So today we're going to be talking about perimeter. So what is perimeter? Well, as you can see, perimeter is the distance around a 2D object. So we're talking about the distance around. That 2D object can be a quadrilateral, it can be a triangle, it can be anything in the world. As long as it's a 2D shape, we can find the perimeter. So let's look at some examples. So example number 1, we have this square with 8 centimeters as a side. Well, what do we know about a square? Well, a square, all sides are the same length. So if one of them is 8 centimeters, all of them are 8 centimeters. So if we were to find the perimeter, we would do side plus side plus side plus side, which would be 8 centimeters plus 8 centimeters plus 8 centimeters plus 8 centimeters, or 32 centimeters. So that's the perimeter of a square. All you need is one side length of a square, and you can find the perimeter of the whole thing. So let's look at example number 2, this triangle. I have side lengths of 3, 3, and 4 inches each. So if I were to do the perimeter there, I would do side plus side plus side, or 3 plus 3 plus 4, which is 10. So I'd have 10 inches as my perimeter. Now let's look at this trapezoid. This trapezoid here, I have side lengths of 4, 2, 3.5, and 5. So if I were to find the perimeter, I would do the same thing as I've always done. Add up all your sides. So I'd have side plus side plus side plus side. So I'd have 2 plus 3.5 plus 4 plus 5, and that gives me 14.5 centimeters. So the perimeter of that trapezoid is 14.5. So now that you've got some examples, and now that you know how to do perimeter, you're going to practice some. So remember, it's just the distance around. All I'm doing is adding up the distance around. You can do this. Just don't freak out about it. You can do it. I know you can. Send me some messages if you need some help. We got this. Tether time out.